Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. This is gold learning and analysis for today and for tomorrow, the 26th of January 2025. So let's see what happened today. Today we have mixed news, as you can see. Right. Mainly we're interested in this US, and we had mixed news here, as you can see. And yeah, euro interest rate, refinancing rate remains the same. And we had monetary policy. Euro can affect the gold price as well, but not as much as USD. Uh, Here, ECB press conference we had, very important in terms of economy. And then last, we had some new home sale. That was medium impact news. So, right. That's for today. And tomorrow we have one, it's end of the week as well. Tomorrow, 1:30, we have USD news, core PC price index, and we have median pending home sales at 3 p.m. So what is this? Let's see. Core PCE price index. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency, and what it is. Okay. Change in the price of goods and services purchased by consumers, excluding food and energy. So excluding food and energy. So change in the prices. So core PC. So that's high impact news. Right. Going to Dixie, what we can see in Dixie dailies. Technically, Dixie tested this level here. This area with the spike daily. What does that mean? Gold should be bearish. That was yesterday, and gold was bearish yesterday. And now it's moving to the upside, which means gold again bearish. But looking into the smaller time, 4H, you can see that, there's a fair value gap that has been tested. Now we are on day 4H, and market should move up to this level. And then we have this level as well. So, right. So let's see and build up capabilities and learning for gold, how it moved and how it can move for tomorrow. Right, this is a 4-hour chart of gold, and 4 hours it's bearish. You can see it is making higher highs and higher lows as higher lows. Okay, this is high, this is low, high, low, high, low. So gold is bearish in 4 hour. In daily as well, this, if you class this as a fake breakout, is moving in the bearish direction. So until we have good bounce from a good level, then with structure, we'll class it as a bearish in daily. So 4H is bearish. Daily, I will class it bearish. Although some people may say, oh, it is bullish. You can see because it's making higher highs as well if you look at the bigger waves. But I have to look for the smaller waves and make the double top. And it's showing especially in Forex, showing clear break of structure as well. So don't just even daily, maybe some people call it bullish. Why it's bearish? Because it's 4 hour, I will give more a preference because entries we normally take is 4 hour or one hedge. So if you want to take entry in bullish direction, you have to be, it has to be on good level with good structure breakouts. But daily, although it's bullish, but in terms of the movement and 4H or 1 hour, it's showing that it's a bearish. So we'll not take daily entries at the moment, long-term entries, which I mean, in that bullish direction, unless we have a clear indication of 4H, 1H, and structure breaks out, structure shift in the bullish direction. So let's go on to 1 hour now. This was structure shift here. And what the gold did, in fact, let me go a bit further down here. In one hedge, this is a fib level in 0.61 level. In one hedge, market rejected from there. This is from here to here is a impulse move and then corrective move. The goal is still in corrective move in 1 hour. And our important areas are these. Because we've seen this is a level, and we had, if you traded yesterday, let me make it more bigger. Here, this was a level 1 hour rejection candle, and we got 2015 to 2020, 50 pips. So you could easily take about 30, 40 pips from here, because on the level there's a rejection of 1 hour candle. And next, this pattern is a rail pattern. It's basically, in other words, this is also was a retest of this level after breakout in 1 hour. Market straight away came down. There's a good opportunity to take a sell trade here after refining in a smaller time frame. You could take sell trade most likely here. Also, once the market is here on this level, smaller time frame, you possibly took a buy trade here. And first profit, it should be around, let me go to smaller time frame. Yeah, this could be a first take profit here. Now this area is building up, was built up, and was broken to the downside. However, there was a support level here, and now smaller time frame. If you go smaller time frame here, you could take a buy trade here. First target would be here, second target here. Similarly, once the market broken this level to the downside, we took sell trade up to here. Then today was a news. After news, we had John, because the news was mixed, it was a risky entry. However, so if you didn't take entry here, fine. unless you have limit orders, which could be very risky as well. Unless you know how to trade on the news, just keep it away. Here, this was a level in 15 minutes. You can see this was a level on 15 minutes. And market gave us opportunity for a sell trade. On a smaller time frame, on the breakout of structure, there was a sell trade here. To further enhance your probability, you use London high, London low, Asian high, Asian low. This market broke this London high and with a strong candle in 15 minutes, and it's coming to the down. So let's go into 5 minutes. All right. This level was broken, market came down, went to the upside, now giving us chance to enter again because market tested this level in 5 minutes. The trend is bearish. We should take sell entry here, stop loss about this level. That's very important because the trend is bearish. And look, the movement of market. This looks like a head and shoulder as well. So we should take a sell trade here. Target up to here. Or if you take sell trade, you can take first target here, second, and third target even further down, depending on how you manage your account. So that's for the learning point of view. But let's look at the levels again. This is a fib level after an impulse, and then you took smaller trade here. Market came down, buy trade here, and then this is a level here. I already mentioned these dates, so I don't have to go into detail. This is a level here. Also, this was a level here. A smaller time frame. We probably could take a trade here again, and then from here, sell trade. As long as you keep your risk to reward ratio good, there's no chance you lose money. So that's the important rule: risk to reward ratio. Now, what next? As I said, this could be one take profit here, also another take profit here, depending on how you manage your trades. Let me delete all this. Let's see further what's happening into it. Eventually, it should come up to here around this area, around 2000 area. Especially if this 4H candle is closed bearish, then we will sooner see the gold here. This candle is going well at the moment, so I'm not surprised tonight or tomorrow morning we'll see this gold up to here. And tomorrow is Friday as well, end of the week, so we should see gold up to here, around 2000 level at least. Even that's if that's broken, we can see further movement. As you can see, we have fair value gap here. We definitely can see the market up here after breaking this level. Or even a spike up here and then go to the upside. So that's it for now. I hope it's useful, and I have tried to explain it simply using fair value gaps, support and resistance, and market structure. In reality, you don't just use one method. Market structure is the first and the most important thing. And then you mix up with other things like support and resistance, order blocks, stuff like that. The way the market moves. Reading chart is a full science. So it's never Nobody's a complete. Everybody have their own analysis techniques, but market structure remains the same. Everybody have a different view of looking at it. So it comes with experience, not just reading with the books. Books can give you guidance, but market reading the chart and doing practicals make you more good at it. So I hope you have good trading day, and thank you very much. Have a good day, good night. Bye-bye.